Okay, Alma, today's the big day. We're gonna meet Gung Gung. Are you excited?
Yes.
You're about to become a big sister. Let's see, what time is it? 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 hours.
Look at my pretty picture.
I'm making a nice picture. Here's Gung Gung's little Betty. We put some balloons in there.
Whee!
And here's our room. And the bathroom. Got it all ready for him when he walks in. He can come over to his little play area that Alma's going to decorate with her pictures. And have some snackies. We've been having fun looking at all the traffic out the room. Just a view from the room. Better put my camera leash on my hand so I don't drop it out the window. Ah. Okay. This is down from our hotel. Looks like there's a wedding going down. The new part of the city is back over there. All those tall buildings. Okay, see you soon when we get Gung Gung.